In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest way to get fluent in a new language from home. And this is the same system that over 100,000 people have already used to go from stuck to actually speaking. And once you see why this system works and why the method you've been using in the past doesn't, you cannot unsee this. Here's something that most people get wrong about learning a language, and it has nothing to do with talent, age, or how many hours you study for. It is all about the method. You see, now before I show you what actually works, let me show you what it does for regular people like you when you use this method. There's Paul. Paul had been on Duolingo for over 2 years, and in his own words, he was absolutely convinced that this method was not going to work for him. So he took the free trial just to prove that it wasn't for him, and he ended up signing up to the full thing the same day. He called the story learning method, and I'm quoting here, a breath of fresh air. There's Sid. Sid started the course and powered through 75% of the first level in just 3 weeks. In his words, I've undoubtedly made the right choice. At this rate, I'll be done with B2, upper intermediate, before you can say is learning French. Rebecca had been stuck at lower intermediate for, in her own words, the longest time. Halfway through, she wrote in to say that she understands more French than with any other course she's ever tried. And then there's Gabe, a family doctor in rural Texas, has Spanish-speaking patients every day. Apps had given him bits and pieces, but not real comprehension. After going through this story learning method, he said that his understanding had enhanced greatly. He's now confident enough to book an immersion trip to Mexico. See, busy adults, a doctor, a skeptic who almost didn't sign up, people who've been stuck for years. They just followed a different system, the one I'm about to show you. Now, in case we haven't met, my name is Ollie Richards. I learned to speak 8 languages using a method that works with every language every time. This method, the story learning method, has been used by over 100,000 students across 15 or more languages. The BBC has featured it. The British Council asked me to train their teachers. The Open University partnered with me to build their language courses. I've even written books that have sold over 2 million copies in different languages. And I'm going to walk you through this whole system today, including a look inside the actual course. Plus, stick around to the end because I've got a discount code that I don't offer anywhere else. It only lives here in this video. So here's what's coming. Now why the methods you've been using can't actually get you fluent. How the story learning method works differently. And what it actually looks like inside the program. So first off, here's where other methods go wrong, and I see this all the time. There's the app trap. Popular apps like Duolingo train you to recognize and match, not to produce and respond. Selecting the right answer on a screen is a completely different brain process from hearing somebody speak and constructing a reply. It's like practicing multiple choice and then being asked to write an essay. You can keep your streak going for 5 years, but still freeze up when a real person actually talks to you. Now, that's not you failing. That's the app not training you in what actually matters. Grammar lives in your conscious mind where you analyze things. But real conversations, well, they run on instinct. Consciously knowing a rule and using it in a conversation are 2 entirely different things. That's why you passed your test at school, but then forgot everything 6 months later. Sound familiar? Yep, thought so. The point is, these methods train the wrong part of your brain for the thing that you actually want to do, which is to speak. So, what actually works? Well, stick with me here, because when you see how simple this is, you'll wonder why nobody showed it to you sooner. Years ago, I remember standing in a bar in Madrid. I was with a friend who introduced me to one of her friends, and he said something to me in Spanish, and I caught maybe one word of that. I asked him to repeat again. Nothing. I'd been studying Spanish for months. I knew a lot of words, I could conjugate verbs on paper, but the moment a real person opened their mouth at real speed, like nothing. I just smiled and nodded and switched to English, and I hated myself for it. Months later, I actually went on a trip to Argentina feeling pretty defeated. I wasn't even planning to study. And then one night, high up in the mountains, nearly 3,000 meters, I woke up in the middle of the night and I couldn't breathe. It was altitude sickness, I guess, but it was pretty terrifying. To take my mind off it, I picked up a novel in Spanish. And something strange happened. The next morning, I found myself remembering tons and tons of Spanish words. Words that I hadn't tried to memorize. Words that had just stuck naturally from reading a story. So what I figured out was when you learn through a story, 3 things happen. First, context does the heavy lifting. You don't need to actively memorize a word when you've experienced that word inside a scene that you care about. It's the difference between memorizing the fact that perro means dog in a flashcard or something and reading about a character's dog running away and feeling something about that dog. One, you forget. The other sticks. Second, you absorb grammar without studying it. Instead of learning a rule and trying to apply it, you pick up the pattern of the grammar from repeated natural exposure. Just the same way you figured out English grammar as a child. You didn't memorize rules. Instead, you learned it from thousands of examples in context. And third, the story itself pulls you forward. You don't need willpower to study. You want to know what happens next. And so you keep going. And that solves the biggest problem in language learning, which is consistency. Most methods rely on discipline. This relies on curiosity. And that is the story learning method. And rather than just tell you about it, let me show you what it actually looks like. So this right here is French Uncovered. Every chapter starts with the story. You press play, you hear a native speaker reading while you follow along with these illustrated manga-style scenes. French text, English translation underneath. Even on day 1, you're reading and listening to real French inside a story that you actually want to follow. And if you think about it, for a beginner, that's quite something. Now, chapter 1 is about 2 minutes long. That's it. One student told me that she was annoyed when the story ended. Nobody ever said that about a textbook. Then you move into the lessons, and this is the bit that makes everything click. What I do is I take the exact sentences from the story that you just read, and I show you why they work. So see how Marta just said, here's the pattern, here's how you'd use it yourself. Vocabulary, grammar, pronunciation, all built around the story that you already know. There's nothing abstract, nothing random. And there's dedicated listening training to sharpen your ear, plus speaking activities. So you're actually using what you've learned, not just reading about it. And with this, you don't need hours a day. 30 to 45 minutes is enough. And most people using this are in their 40s, 50s, 60s, and beyond. You don't need to be 20 years old. You just need a method that works with your brain, not against it. And look, Dr. Jacqueline Carr Phillips, who is an associate professor of Russian literature, wrote to me after finishing the course and said that none of the beginner courses she'd ever taken were as comprehensive or engaging. She's already starting level 2. When academics are impressed, you know that the method is solid. Now, just think for a second about what this could look like for you. Sitting in a restaurant abroad and actually ordering in the language, not pointing at the menu. Speaking the way to respond, you understand, you reply. Or finally following a film without subtitles and catching the jokes. Or speaking with your in-laws in their language for the first time. Or even just proving to yourself after all these years of trying that you can actually do this. That is what is on the other side. So, here's what's inside the complete Uncovered course. You get 10 chapters, all the lessons, the full illustrated story with audio, language-specific bonuses, and access to our private language community. Now, a year of private tuition can cost north of $5,000. A single university semester can cost even more. This is a complete system that you can start today from home for a fraction of that. And a 1-year money-back guarantee. If you're not satisfied, you just email us. We'll refund every penny. No hoops, no awkward phone calls. And because you've watched this whole video, here is the discount that I promised. Scan the QR code on the screen or click the link in the description. Enter the code STORY10 at checkout for a 10% discount on any Story Learning Uncovered course. Now look, I know the temptation is to bookmark this and come back later. I personally have a bookmarks folder that's basically a graveyard of good ideas and good intentions. And you could try to piece all of these things together yourself as well. Find stories online, hunt down grammar explanations, build your own system. It is possible. I have done that myself in the past. But you have probably already done some version of that, and you know how it usually ends. You just get distracted and never focus on the right thing. So, the alternative is to let me walk you through this step by step, story by story. Press play and go. You've got a 1-year guarantee, so you're not risking anything, except the possibility that this might actually work. So, click the link, use STORY10 for your 10% discount on any course, and I'll see you on the inside.